Listen up, you lot. A bustling European street market, vibrant colors and enticing aromas fill the air. Buckle up as we dive into Europe's heart, overflowing with culinary delights that'll make your taste buds sing. Today we're exploring 7 of the continent's most mouth-watering culinary masterpieces, each telling a delicious story of its own. First up, Italy, the land of pasta, pizza and the magnificent risotto alla Milanese. This dish from Milan isn't just food, it's northern Italian cuisine embodied. The star ingredient, saffron, gives this risotto its iconic golden hue, a beacon of flavor. We finish this beauty with a generous grating of Parmesan cheese, resulting in a creamy, luxurious texture that's an absolute revelation. Next, the sun-drenched shores of the French Riviera, home to the legendary Bouillabaisse. This isn't just fish soup, it's a traditional fisherman's stew bursting with Mediterranean bounty. The secret to a mind-blowing Bouillabaisse is in the broth, with garlic, saffron and Provençal herbs creating a depth of flavor. Serve this masterpiece with Ruiz sauce and a crusty baguette to mop up every last drop. Complement the delicate seafood flavors with a chilled glass of Sauvignon Blanc or a dry rose. Get ready to spice things up in Valencia, the birthplace of Paella Valenciana. Picture a massive pan sizzling with tender chicken, succulent rabbit and snails in a saffron-infused broth. This dish is about generosity, bringing people together around a table laden with food and laughter. Enjoy each bite with a refreshing glass of sangria or a light-bodied Spanish Albarino wine. Now, let's head north to Germany, where comfort food reigns supreme with Sauerbraten. This traditional pot roast requires patience, marinating beef for days in a vinegar and spice brine. Slow cook the meat until it's fall-apart tender, melting in your mouth. The gravy, made with ginger snap cookies, adds a touch of sweetness and spice. Serve with braised red cabbage and fluffy potato dumplings and wash it down with a malty German Dunkel beer. Get ready to be transported to the Greek Isles with Moussaka. Layers of thinly sliced eggplant fried to golden perfection and ground lamb simmered with aromatic spices. Topped with creamy bechamel sauce, this dish is a symphony of textures and flavors. Served with a refreshing Greek salad and a chilled glass of Assyrtiko white wine. Forget individual dishes, we're embarking on a Swedish smörgåsbord journey, a table laden with pickled herring, cured meats, cheeses and iconic Swedish meatballs. The beauty lies in its variety, satisfying every palate and craving. Embrace a tradition passed down through generations of Swedish families. No smörgåsbord is complete without a traditional toast of aquavit and a crisp pilsner. Finally, Belgium, renowned for its beer, chocolate and comforting Waterzooi. This creamy stew, originating from Ghent, is a flavorful hug in a bowl. Made with either fish or chicken, the key is in the velvety smooth broth enriched with egg yolks and cream. Enjoy with a glass of authentic Belgian beer or a dry white wine like Loire Valley's Sauvignon Blanc. There you have it, you lot. 7 incredible dishes from 7 incredible countries. From creamy risotto to hearty stews, we've taken your taste buds on a journey through European cuisine. Get your aprons on, fire up those stoves, and let these classics inspire your next culinary adventure. Bon appétit! Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures and cooking tips. Alright, let's hop over to Portugal for something really special. Bacalhau à brás. This dish is a true gem in Portuguese cuisine, and it's something you absolutely need to try if you ever find yourself in this beautiful country. Portugal is known for its rich culinary traditions, and bacalhau à brás is a shining example of that. It's a dish that brings together simple ingredients in the most delightful way. Ever heard of it? It's amazing. Bacalhau à brás is one of those dishes that, once you try it, you'll never forget. It's a comfort food that has been passed down through generations, and it's loved by locals and visitors alike. The flavors are so unique and satisfying, it's no wonder it's a staple in Portuguese households. Imagine this. We take some salted cod, shred it up nice and fine, and then we mix it with onions and these super thin, crispy fried potatoes. The cod is the star of the show, and it's prepared in a way that really brings out its best qualities. The onions add a sweet and savory depth, while the potatoes provide that perfect crunch. It's a combination that just works so well together. Yum! But wait, there's more. The magic of bacalhau or brás doesn't stop there. The dish is all about layering flavors and textures to create something truly special. Each bite is a little different, but always delicious. We stir in some fluffy scrambled eggs to bring it all together. The eggs add a creamy richness that ties everything together beautifully. They make the dish feel hearty and satisfying, perfect for any time of the day. Whether you're having it for breakfast, lunch or dinner, bacalhau or brás is sure to hit the spot. And to make it extra pretty and tasty, we sprinkle black olives and fresh parsley on top. The olives add a briny pop of flavor, while the parsley brings a fresh, herbaceous note. It's the perfect finishing touch that makes the dish look as good as it tastes. It's a real Portuguese treat, a total classic. Bacalhau à brás is more than just a meal, it's an experience. When you sit down to enjoy it, you're not just tasting food, you're tasting a piece of Portuguese culture and history. It's a dish that tells a story with every bite. The mix of crunchy potatoes, soft eggs, and that salty cod is just incredible. Each element brings something unique to the table, and together they create a harmony of flavors and textures that's simply irresistible. It's the kind of dish that makes you feel at home no matter where you are. It's like a warm hug on a plate. Bacalhau à brás is the ultimate comfort food, perfect for those days when you need a little extra warmth and coziness. It's a dish that wraps you up in its deliciousness and makes everything feel right with the world. Seriously, if you want to feel like you're sitting in a cute little Portuguese town by the sea, you have to try bacalhau à brás. It's a flavor explosion. The combination of ingredients creates a taste that's both familiar and exciting, comforting and adventurous. So next time you're in Portugal, or if you find a Portuguese restaurant near you, don't miss out on this incredible dish. Bacalhau à brás is a culinary journey you won't want to miss. Now let's head to Hungary for a taste of goulash. This hearty stew is made with tender beef, onions and paprika, simmered to perfection. Serve it with a side of fresh bread to soak up the rich, flavorful sauce. Originating from Hungary, goulash is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of Hungarian hospitality and tradition. The key to its rich flavor lies in the paprika, which gives the dish its distinct warm color and deep, smoky taste. Imagine a cold evening and a bowl of steaming goulash served right in front of you. Comforting, hearty and utterly satisfying. Perfect for family gatherings or a cozy night in, goulash captures the essence of Hungary in every bite. Our journey continues to Poland with pierogi. These delicious dumplings are filled with a variety of ingredients, from savory potatoes and cheese to sweet fruits. Boiled or fried, they're a versatile and beloved Polish dish. Pierogi are more than just food. They are a connection to Polish heritage and family traditions. Imagine a kitchen filled with the aroma of freshly made dumplings, each one crafted with love and care. Whether served as a main course or a delectable dessert, pierogi hold a special place in Polish hearts and on their tables. It's a dish that brings people together, evoking memories of family gatherings and festive occasions. So next time you're looking for a taste of Poland, let pierogi be your guide to this rich and flavorful culinary tradition. Next stop, Austria, for the classic Wiener schnitzel. This iconic dish is not just a meal, it's a cultural experience that has been cherished for generations. Originating in the 19th century, the Wiener Schnitzel has become a symbol of Austrian culinary tradition, representing the country's rich history and love for hearty, flavorful food. This breaded and fried veal cutlet is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The process of making wiener schnitzel involves carefully pounding the veal to an even thickness, coating it in flour, egg and breadcrumbs, and then frying it to golden perfection. The result is a dish that is both simple and sophisticated, with a texture that is delightfully crunchy and a flavor that is rich and satisfying. Serve it with a slice of lemon and a side of potato salad for a traditional Austrian meal. The tangy lemon adds a refreshing contrast to the savory schnitzel, while the potato salad, often made with vinegar and onions, complements the dish perfectly. This combination creates a balanced meal that is both hearty and refreshing, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. The Wiener Schnitzel is more than just a dish, it's a symbol of Austrian culinary excellence. Whether prepared in a humble home kitchen or served in a fine dining restaurant, the care and craftsmanship that go into making this dish are evident in every bite. Chefs take pride in perfecting the technique, ensuring that each schnitzel is cooked to perfection and presented beautifully. The golden brown crust, the succulent meat and the zesty lemon all come together to create a symphony of flavors. Each element of the dish plays a crucial role in its overall appeal. The crust provides a satisfying crunch, the meat offers a tender and juicy bite, and the lemon adds a burst of brightness that elevates the entire experience. It's a harmonious blend that delights the senses and leaves a lasting impression. Imagine sitting in a cozy Austrian tavern, the warmth of the atmosphere enveloping you as you take your first bite, the rustic charm of the surroundings, the friendly chatter of fellow diners, and the comforting aroma of freshly cooked schnitzel create an unforgettable dining experience. It's a moment of pure contentment, where the simple pleasure of good food and good company come together in perfect harmony. Each mouthful is a journey through Austria's rich history and culinary heritage. The Wiener Schnitzel is a testament to the country's ability to create dishes that are both timeless and beloved. As you savor each bite, you are not just enjoying a meal, you are partaking in a tradition that has been passed down through generations, a tradition that continues to bring joy and satisfaction to all who experience it. Whether enjoyed at a family dinner or a festive celebration, Wiener Schnitzel remains a beloved classic that has stood the test of time. Its versatility and universal appeal make it a dish that can be enjoyed on any occasion, from casual gatherings to special events. The joy of sharing a delicious Wiener Schnitzel with loved ones is a cherished experience that brings people together and creates lasting memories. So, the next time you're in the mood for a taste of Austria, let the Wiener Schnitzel take you on a delicious adventure. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious foodie, this iconic dish offers a unique and delightful way to experience the flavors and traditions of Austria. Indulge in the crispy, tender and flavorful delight that is Wiener Schnitzel and discover why it remains a culinary crown jewel of Austria. Next, let's visit the Netherlands for a taste of stroopwafels. These thin waffle cookies filled with a sweet caramel syrup are perfect for enjoying with a cup of coffee or tea. Picture yourself in a charming Dutch cafe, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingling with the sweet scent of stroopwafels. The first bite reveals a crispy exterior that gives way to a gooey caramel center. It's a delightful Dutch treat that brings comfort with every mouthful. Stroopwafels are not just a snack, they're a symbol of Dutch ingenuity and a cherished tradition. Whether you're savoring them at home or in the heart of Amsterdam, stroopwafels offer a taste of the Netherlands' warm hospitality and culinary charm. So next time you're looking for a sweet escape, let stroopwafels transport you to the picturesque streets of the Netherlands. Finally, we end our culinary journey in Denmark with smørrebrød. This traditional Danish dish is more than just food. It's a cultural experience that has been passed down through generations. Smørrebrød, which translates to butter bread, is a beloved staple in Danish cuisine, often enjoyed during lunch or as a hearty snack. The concept is simple yet elegant. A slice of dense, dark rye bread, generously buttered and topped with a variety of fresh, high-quality ingredients. These open-faced sandwiches are topped with a variety of ingredients, from pickled herring to roast beef, and are a staple of Danish cuisine. The toppings can range from the traditional, like thinly sliced meats and fish, to the more modern, such as avocado and exotic fruits. Each topping is carefully selected to complement the others, creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that is both satisfying and delightful. Picture yourself in a cozy Danish bistro, the table adorned with an array of colorful smørrebrød. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, with the scent of freshly baked bread and the sound of friendly chatter filling the air. Each smørrebrød is a small masterpiece, meticulously arranged to please both the eye and the palate. The vibrant colors of the toppings stand out against the dark rye bread, making each piece as visually appealing as it is delicious. Each piece is a work of art, meticulously crafted with fresh, high-quality ingredients. The preparation of smørrebrød is an art form in itself, requiring skill and attention to detail. Chefs take great pride in their creations, often spending hours perfecting each sandwich. The result is a dish that is not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. The first bite offers a burst of flavors and textures, from the crispness of the rye bread to the tanginess of pickled toppings. The combination of ingredients creates a symphony of tastes that dance on your tongue, leaving you craving more. The rye bread provides a sturdy base that holds up well to the generous toppings, while the butter adds a rich, creamy layer that ties everything together. Smørrebrød isn't just a meal, it's a celebration of Denmark's rich culinary heritage. It's a dish that brings people together, whether it's a family gathering around the table or friends enjoying a leisurely lunch at a cafe. The tradition of smørrebrød is deeply rooted in Danish culture, and each bite is a reminder of the country's history and traditions. Whether enjoyed for lunch or as a hearty snack, these open-faced sandwiches provide a delightful taste of Danish culture. They are versatile and can be customized to suit any palate, making them a favorite among both locals and visitors. The simplicity of smørrebrød is what makes it so special. It's a dish that doesn't need to be complicated to be delicious. So as we conclude our European culinary journey, let smørrebrød remind us of the simple yet exquisite pleasures of traditional Danish cuisine. It's a dish that embodies the essence of Denmark, with its emphasis on quality ingredients, careful preparation, and a deep appreciation for the art of food. Smørrebrød is more than just a meal, it's a taste of Danish culture and a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage.